Your dog's ears aren't just for scratching, they're superpowered sound detectors. Dogs can hear up to 65,000 hertz, while humans max out at around 20,000 hertz. That means they can detect high-pitched sounds we'd never notice, like dog whistles or small animals underground. They can also hear sounds up to 4 times farther away than we can. Plus, dogs have 18 muscles in each ear, letting them rotate and focus like little radar dishes. It's no wonder they bark at things we can't see or hear, because they do hear them. Next time your dog perks up for no reason, maybe they know something you don't.